In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust margins around elements in Base44. We'll walk through this step by step so you can control the spacing around any element on your page and make your layout look cleaner and more professional. First, make sure you're in the Base44 editor for the page you want to work on. Once you're there, look for the option called Visual Edit. This is usually the mode that lets you see your page as it will appear to visitors, while still allowing you to click and change things. Go ahead and click on Visual Edit. This switches you into a more intuitive editing view, where adjustments like spacing and margins are much easier to see in real time. Next, choose the element whose margins you want to adjust. This could be a heading, a text block, an image, a button, or any other component on your page. Move your cursor over the page and click directly on that element. When it's selected, you should see some kind of highlight or frame around it, along with a settings panel or toolbar that appears either on the side or near the element itself. Make sure you have the correct element selected before moving on, so you don't end up changing the spacing of the wrong item. With your element selected, look for the spacing icon in the controls. The icon may look like a box with arrows pointing outward or inward, or something similar that indicates padding or margins. Click on the spacing icon to open the spacing controls. This is where you can fine-tune how much empty space appears around your content. Inside the spacing controls, find the section labeled Margin. Margins control the space outside the element's border, pushing other elements away and creating breathing room on the page. Here, you can usually adjust the top, right, bottom, and left margins individually. Increase a margin value if you want more space in that direction, or decrease it if things feel too spread out. As you adjust the margins, keep an eye on the live preview in Visual Edit. Small changes, like a few pixels at a time, often work best so you can see exactly how your layout responds. Once the spacing looks balanced and everything feels aligned, you're done. You've successfully adjusted